Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the workspace and gathering data. Power down, open the case, and clear visible dust with short bursts of compressed air. You avoid touching circuitry. Once done, boot and install a monitoring tool, HW Info or MSI Afterburner, and run a short stress test to record baseline temps in degrees C and fan RPM. Make sure to note room ambient temperature and airflow direction. Then decide. Adjust fan curve first, or apply a conservative power limit. Both reduce heat quickly and let you compare effects. Now you take control of how the GPU behaves under load. Open MSI Afterburner and build a fan curve that ramps to 70-85% between 70 and 80 degrees C, while keeping fans quieter under 50 degrees C. This reduces peak temperature quickly. Next, lower the GPU power limit by small increments, start at -5%, and run a stress test to verify stability and temperature improvement. If available, apply a modest undervolt using the curve editor. Change voltages in small steps and test each setting for finish by optimizing case-level cooling and validating stability. Ensure a clear front-to-rear airflow path, front intake, top or rear exhaust, and add or reposition fans to increase CFM. This lowers ambient GPU intake air. If temperatures still exceed targets, consider replacing thermal paste on the GPU cooler, use a high-quality compound, and follow a careful reassembly routine. Finally, run extended testing. If you encounter crashes or instability, revert the undervolt or raise the power limit slightly, and make sure drivers are up to date to rule out software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.